Hey guys, it's me, the one and only TKK_perfect. I'm with your boy Jenna, back at it again. Yeah, we're playing It Takes Two, Part 2. How does that work out, you know? If you haven't seen Part 1, go back and watch that first, because that part gave me nightmares. It says it on the thumbnail. So yeah, last time we left off defeating the evil vacuum, and it looks like we're still in the shed. But, yeah, we are going to see how this works out, and, let's go. Alright, boys, this is where we, left off. If you don't remember, this goofy goober kept ground pounding and interrupting my outro. Look at you, you're so big you can't even fit through the damn tube. Look at you, god damn.
I think it has something to do with this. How can you not?
It's called crouching.
Crouch. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna make the death count in one.
There's the first stuff. Oh, jeez.
Oh, what the two?
I can help. What? What was that? Who was it? I don't know. Over here. Look. I know the way. Come on.
He knows the way.
Bro, they must be high right now.
Save my friends.
Bro.
What friends?
My old mouse
My
tool friend.
We used to be important and taken care of, but that human locked us up in her toolbox and left.
You mean May's toolbox?
Yes, yes. That heartless woman. Do you
Dang.
know her?
Well, yeah.
No, he doesn't. Anyway, I heard that heartless woman got a new job in town and doesn't have time for her hobbies anymore.
Who cares about hobbies? Do you know how painful it is to die from rust?
Jesus.
Like burning alive.
Oh my
Slowly,
god.
slowly. It's a deal. Pick me up.
Okay?
Also,
Now go to that big door over there. Pull that nail out. We're gonna need it.
Okay, here goes.
Whoa!
Dang.
Where'd it go?
Oh,
Man,
sweet.
frick you.
Where'd I throw it at? Dang, ow, ow, ow.
Drop that hammer on my toe.
Don't worry.
Oh, dang. Chillax, bro. Dang.
Use the hammer.
I don't
You
like
smashed
you
your
very
own thumb.
much.
Yeah, well, okay, maybe. But I'm in charge of the...
Why is me? I'm gonna throw the nail at you.
Just be
Frick.
careful.
Ah! Ow, man. That hurts. Can't aim.
Nah, bro. I've had enough.
I'm going to jump!
Oh!
Do a flip!
No! We did it. What do you...
Maybe we can swing off that nail.
Oh, we did it.
Steady now. Sweet move.
Reminds me of like Toy
Like your
Story,
style, man.
the game,
Thanks,
and
Hammer.
then you played as like Woody or Jesse or one of them, like the last. I don't know. You had to play it to know it. Oh, throw the nail over here.
There's another nail. Let's go get it.
Yoo-hoo! Still
Oh,
over
okay.
here.
Here, now you have two nails.
Please!
Alright,
Sweet. More ammunition.
nice one. Nice.
Okay.
Bingo, baby. Oh. Oh, this guy, man.
Wow.
There are no relationships without challenges. Challenges make you grow!
Alright. What? What the hell? How do you already have 2 points? That's sexist.
Bro, what do I do?
How about you come over to the box?
Hey, Cody, over here.
It's whack-a-mole.
Duh.
Can't wait to hit you with the hammer.
I'm sending you home packing, Cody.
Get ready.
Whack a code.
Peekaboo.
Slammed it.
Frick. What? Oh, gotcha.
Too slow.
I'm hitting you.
You suck at this. Ow.
Uh-huh.
You missed.
No, I'm staying in. Ow.
Come on out.
I got it.
Dang it.
Oh. Dang it. Dang
That's
it.
it.
Oh. Dang it.
No.
No problem.
Dang it. You smacked me.
No, you won it by like 2
Not too fast
points.
for you.
I
Oh
want a
my
rematch. I want a
god.
rematch. Rematch me.
Oh,
Get back in here.
okay. Okay.
I'm about to box you like a fish. Literally.
Show me your moves, May.
What's up? Where you at? Where you gonna go? Where you gonna go, bro? Yeah.
Ow.
Brotherly thought. Ooh. Ooh, brother.
Dang it.
Bro, what is that goofy laugh? Come on. I'm winning. Dang it.
Easy.
Huh? What? Yeah.
No.
Come on out. Stop it! What? Come on. Dang it. Any minute now. Ah,
Nothing to it.
Oh.
I'm gonna win. Only 2 more times. One more.
Alrighty.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
Come on out.
No, stop.
Any minute. Oh.
No.
Oh my god.
No.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh,
There.
nice.
You were 2 against 1.
Oh, I thought you were about to hit me.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready.
No,
I really thought. Bro said, I'm gonna get him this time.
Gonna be sick.
Oh. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Alright, do it, do it, do it. Nice. Oh, you almost trapped me out.
That was so close. Did I do it?
Bitch.
No!
Alright, I'm there.
The next day, the motherfucker was dead.
Oh my god! Thank
have pretty good
Jesus
teamwork.
Christ himself.
About that?
Oh, I couldn't take it anymore. If someone said, what's worse, hell, school, or it takes two nails, I would say they're all completely equal.
Thanks.
Get up, hurry!
Come on, we gotta keep going. Watch out. Oh, I died. Dang it, we both died. You there?
Hurry up! We can't let my friends die!
Nice.
Come on,
Good job.
Cody!
Are you here?
Uh-huh.
Look at this boy, looking all goofy. He's a goober himself. Go, go, Power Rangers! Come on, Nail, Nail. Keep going, keep going.
Steady now.
We're gonna crack you open!
Yes. Oh! What the hell? Oh, he's getting angry. Dang! He pulled out the gun. Pull up the block.
Toolbox is crazy!
Yeah, next time I'm buying a smaller one.
Oh, frick. Ow.
Dang,
Oh.
I did not expect that.
Oh. Oh my god, there's so much happening. I'm getting dizzy. I'm dead. Come on. Get ready, get ready, get ready.
Heads up!
Go now. No.
Hold on tight.
You're going down,
There we go.
Toolbox!
Yes. Dang, there goes his arm. Ah! Oh, shoot! Dang! Ain't no way!
Oh, that's gotta hurt.
What kind of superhero am I? Oh. Get on, get on, get on. Through the nail! Nice. Oh, wow, lots happening. Oh, oh my god. Ow. Oh my god, it's getting really tiny. Oh. Don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die. Nice. Oh. Get on, get on, get on. Shoot him. Yes, we got 2 hits in there. Alright, I think one more 2-hitter and we're good. Yay! We did it, everybody! Oh. Oh. Shoot.
Hey, look at them.
It's the Mouse-Tools. What's that one the Disney show? It was like an older cartoon. It was like it was like a
I
handyman.
watched Mickey Mouse.
No, it wasn't Mickey Mouse. It was like a Disney Channel show, or not Channel show, it was Disney Junior. It was a handyman, and then he had tool friends. It was almost like a Bob the Builder, but instead of like tractors and junk, it was tools. I'll put a picture of it on screen so you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm not tripping balls.
Thank you, Hammer. What?
Whoa.
Wow.
Flexible.
Step on board.
Really?
Okay, you sure?
Come on, it's safe.
Okay. Ooh.
This doesn't feel safe. I'm not sure.
Just relax.
Okay.
Don't worry, he's very precise. Sebastian, sling it!
Whee! Yahoo!
Precise.
Very precise.
Oh no! She's leaving!
Rose, wait! We need your help.
Wait!
It's us! Mum and Dad! Don't close the door!
Damn!
Oh,
What a savage.
Out! Rose! Oh, you stupid buck!
Oh, you
Yeah,
locked us in,
stupid
you
buck.
idiots!
Now we're stuck in here.
Yeah.
Stuckness is a mental construct. If you stare at the closed door, you will miss the one that's open.
Okay, FYI, there is only one door in this shed.
And one window.
Good thinking, man. Woo! Let's go to the window. Woo!
Yay!
Hook is out of his mind, okay?
Ah, Rose grinding without a skateboard.
Oh, let's go. Skate 3. Ooh.
Skate 3. Ooh. Dang!
Timing was
That was
impeccable.
good.
Alright.
Dang!
Holy crap!
Focus! Here it comes! Amazing!
Yippee.
Let's find Rose!
Oh,
What?
Rose? Yeah, we need to find her.
Oh, yes, I know we look like dolls, but we're actually her parents.
I know who you are. Nothing escapes my lenses.
Okay.
Look,
Kind of creepy.
In here? All right. Okay. Let's see. Oh!
What?
Oh! I look dead. Am I dead?
you're not dead.
What's going on? Oh, no.
Hallucination.
What's the matter with us?
All I know is that Rose sat down there with her dolls, and then you two came alive.
Just
Okay.
like that?
Well, is this the
You didn't
Toy Story
see
origin
anything
story?
else?
Well, there was one unusual thing.
Why? What happened?
She was crying.
We do not care.
Oh, wait a minute. I know what happened. It's a spell!
Oh, don't be ridiculous, Cody. We've
Ridiculous?
got to apply logic.
May, okay? We are having a conversation with a pair of binoculars. All right. There is no logic in that.
For goodness sake, I don't even believe in spells.
Okay, well, did you believe that you could be turned into a wooden doll? Huh? Exactly.
Got her there.
It had to be the tears. It was a spell, I am telling you.
So, if it is a spell, how do we break it?
Okay, I got this. Yeah, me
Ugh.
and Rose, we read all about this spell stuff. I'm a virtual wizard right now, okay? Just give me some space. I need
Rose in his habitat.
Okay, so if the spell was cast through her tears, then in order to break it, oh, in order to break it, we have to reverse it through her tears. Boom!
Right.
Okay,
Beautiful.
we basically have to find her and make her cry on us again.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Do we get to her room from here?
Easy, we just climbed the tree.
Duh. Like, so easy.
Duh, we're not in a shed anymore, at least.
What? You're never gonna make that jump.
Yeah? Watch me.
Oh,
Ah!
nice one.
God damn it!
Coming through the
Oh, dang.
Whoa!
Ain't no way you brought this game in here like Tarzan.
Well, throw us the rope. It's too far.
Cody, where there is love, no distance is too far.
Alright, boys, I think that's gonna be it for this episode of It Takes Two. You're not gonna do that again. No. You ruined last outro, okay? We're not doing this twice in a row. God, you make me so disappointed. Ooh, that is a beautiful view. What the hell? Oh, Jesus Christ! It's Jesus shining down on me. Alright, we're just gonna turn this way again, so I don't get blinded. Anyway, good place to end the video off here. We've made it out of the shed. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to press the like button and subscribe. What do you think you're talking to? Well, I guess I
Will
will...
this count for the death counter?
No, I'm not counting these. These deaths, they don't count.
One more for good luck.
Guys, I'll see you in the next video. That's all I can say, really. Bye.
Perfect.